What's up, YouTube? This was a 2013 Jeep Patriot. It had an evap problem that came in from one of my used car dealers. And this is just for the general public out there who has an engine light on, possibly for an evap code, because everyone thinks it's just a gas cap. I will tell you this, people are so stupid today when they pump your gas. You don't hear the gas cap click 3 times, chances are it's not on tight. And if it is clicked 3 times, I've seen them not even put on correctly. Nevertheless, so not only do you need to check your gas cap, but do you see the decay on the filler neck surface? All right, so the rust and the metal and the plastic and the seal on the gas cap are all moving at different expansion rates. So if you see scaling and rust pinnings on the top of your filler neck, a gas cap is not going to fix that alone. You place the filler neck and the gas cap at the same time. If your gas cap surface looks like the top here, that's in good condition. But if it looks like the bottom, it's shot. Thanks for watching.